If it's easier for you to generate individual transaction reports from your database or ERP system, you can use the transactional data connection. To do that, I'll go to New, Spreadsheet Connection, Transactional Data. Let's take a look at the file and see what it's supposed to contain. We have several sheets here for different purposes. Transactions contain all the data required for demand forecasting, like transaction date, item code, and the number of units sold. To get revenue forecasting, you also need to import the sales price per unit column. For inventory planning, you should additionally provide the remaining on-hand quantity, accounting for all changes, not only sales related. Also, supplier lead time and the duration of the order cycle, as well as any in-transition information you have, breaking it down into the item code, purchase order send out date, expected delivery date, and quantity in transition. The rest of them are more or less optional, depending on what else you want calculated along the way. There's a full breakdown of all the data types in our Help Center where you can look up the one you need. As an option, you can merge the data from the transactions and the item info sheets. After we've made sure we have all we need in the file, let's open it and get the connection dialog window. There's 5 tabs in here. We will use the first 3 of them with the sheets of our file. If you have pending sales, you can import them in the Pending Sales Orders tab to increase planning accuracy. You will want to import the bill of materials if you need Streamline to build a material requirements plan and a manufacturing plan. Just like in aggregated data connection, you have your column headers, which you should match with Streamline's data types. Let's do that for all of our sheets. Unlike the aggregated data connection, this connection aggregates data while it's being imported. The only thing you should define is the period your data will be aggregated in. This is the group timestamps by parameter. Let's go with the default option and group our data by month. After this, I'm good to go.